Hi, are you looking for a corner unit with a view of the Charles River? If so, let's check out 6 Canal Park, Unit 410 in Cambridge. I'm Carlos with the Santana team, and today we're in an oversized 2-bed, 2-bath with parking and amenities. You're in East Cambridge near the Lechmore T, Kendall Square, and MIT. You will be right across the bridge from the city, MGH, and TD Garden. While here, be sure to check out the pool, gym, and library areas. We look forward to seeing you at an open house this weekend. For more information and for more pictures, check out santanateam.com.